So I bought this watch for me and I really liked it, so I bought it for my husband, and I'm just gonna show how it works. If you lift your arm, it turns it on, then you can turn it off here. I like there is a do not disturb, so you can put it on when you're going to sleep. You can also find your cell phone with this button right here. This one registers your heartbeat all the time. On top you can see like notifications from your emails, Instagram, Facebook, message, all that. And here you have like how many steps you walk in your week. And then here you can have like a sport, your heart rate right now, and you can ask to relax. You can also have a timer, stopwatch, or just a timer. You can control music from your phone. It's really nice when you have the AirPods from Apple or earbuds that like that, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really nice and the price is great. It's very nice. The battery holds for like almost mine it's almost 4 weeks without a charge. This one, it's a week and it's 94. It's pretty good.